Hey everybody, my name is Jason. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina, and I am graduating, like you all are, with a degree in educational technology from Boise State. I'm getting a certificate in online teaching. I've learned a great deal from this, especially the breadth and depth that's really involved in our job. There's a lot to educational technology. You could be a researcher, you could do teaching, you can do programming, you could do gaming, lots of different things. So really enjoyed, and that kind of took me by surprise how much I can do with it. Currently, I'm educational director at my school. I manage iPads, laptops, a lot of different operating systems. I work with kids from 4 years old to 12, 13. It's been a pleasure learning and using the artifacts that I've developed in this program um, to teach with and to help students learn. Um, I want to say that Boise State really gave me the ability to learn all these things with their online environment. It really was flexible and worked for me. I don't know that I could do that in the traditional classroom, and I love how I can artifact, I can archive and put things away and keep them for a portfolio for later, which I'm trying to compose now for this course, as you all are. Um, like I said, I'm a director of educational technology. I do a lot of things for my school, but I would like to do further more when I graduate in the spring. I'd like to become an online teacher. I think I've gained a lot of knowledge with how to do that and how to present material. So I plan to do that with my local school district. And then I'd also like to get more certificates in Microsoft and Google and Cisco and be able to one day be in private industry and do network administration or programming or the like. So I wish you all success in what you're doing. I think we're doing a great job and just kind of keep on going with our dreams and our passions and take what we learned at Boise State into whatever profession we go to. So thank you. I look forward to hopefully meeting all of you at some point. You take care.